Welcome to the 12th episode of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe. Scientists are organized thinkers. There are many scientists who have capitalized the power of subconscious mind. Frederick August Kekule had been struggling for a long time to understand the chemical structure of a hydrocarbon called benzene. This contains 6 atoms of hydrogen and 6 of carbon. When he was unable to solve this riddle, he turned the matter over completely to his subconscious mind. He saw in his dream a snake biting its own tail. This inspired his research in a different direction and arrived at a long sought answer. Circular arrangement of atoms known as the benzene ring. Nikola Tesla was pioneer in the field of wireless electricity. Whenever he had an idea for a new invention, he would build it up in his imagination and then turn it over to his subconscious mind. In an interview, he says, "Invariably, my device works as I imagined it should. In 20 years, there is not a single exception. There is nothing wrong in making castles in the air, provided you put the foundations under them." Keep learning, keep sharing, and be ready for the next episode. Till